The letter S can make 4 different sounds. So the first sound it can make is S. The second sound it can make is J. The third sound it can make is Z. And the fourth sound it can make is Sh. Now that first one, S, is probably the most popular. That's how we pronounce S most often, and it's usually at the start of words that we'd have that S sound. So you'll see we've got the word sun, we've got the word skeleton, and the word octopus, which breaks the rule there, but it's that S sound on the end of octopus. Now, I'm going to go through examples for each of the sounds, and then once I've gone through those, I'd like you to speak through the examples with me. I'll go through them once first, then we'll go through them together. So, after that S sound, we've then got this J sound that we sometimes get when the S is followed by a vowel. So you see we've got measure, treasure, and Asia. All of those are followed by a vowel. Then we have our Z sound, which I think most often is seen in the middle of words. Poison, music, and mosaic. Poison, music, and mosaic. And then finally, we've got sugar, which looks like it should be pronounced sugar, but is in fact pronounced sugar. And I'm afraid English is full of these words which break the little rules that we have, but it's no problem. With time and exposure to these words, you'll learn how to pronounce them. The more vocabulary you see, the more you will know how to pronounce these words. So don't worry at all if you don't get it quite right. Now, you will have seen those symbols as well next to the pictures. Now, these symbols are from the phonetic alphabet. This is a much bigger alphabet which has a symbol for every sound you need to make. So that's what these symbols are. Instead of just the S shape, we have these different ones for the different sounds. So I'm going to go through all our words for the letter S, and then I'd like you to join me in reading through them. So we have sun, skeleton, octopus, measure, treasure, Asia, poison, music, and mosaic, and then sugar. So S, J, Z, and Sh. Now let's go through them together. Sun, skeleton, octopus, measure, treasure, Asia, poison, music, mosaic, sugar. Now remember, you can go through those again if you need to. But if you're ready, we'll move on to the letter A.